Hello, good morning. I want to share what I eat in a week. I've wanted to get my nutrition level from here, which it is now, to here. Donuts, cookies, chips, and yeah, this 7-day challenge that I've set for myself is to eat less refined carbs. So I'm done with my dentist appointment and I want to get breakfast. I haven't eaten breakfast yet. There is a healthy local spot and I love trying new spots that have like juices and smoothies and organic ingredients. So this spot is called Nectar Juice Bar. It's cool because I went to their website and they said that if you download their app, you can get a free juice or smoothie. So I downloaded the app and I have a coupon. I like smoothies instead of juices because I like that it's not extracting any of the fiber and keeping all of its nutrients. So I do prefer smoothies over juices, and they have such a cool variety of different smoothies and all very healthy. Sometimes when you drink a smoothie, like if you go to Jamba Juice, for example, a lot of the components of the smoothie is just fruits, and then they might use even a fruit juice. And this makes it a very sugary, high carb type of smoothie. So what I like about this specific spot is, although they have fruits that they add into the smoothie, they use coconut water as their base. And they also add greens, spinach, ginger. They have a variety of different things. I'm gonna go look at their menu real quick. everybody. Today for breakfast, I had pancakes, which you just saw, and now I'm having exactly what I had last night for dinner. So let me show you. I got this salad. It's something my mom made actually. I've also got some carrot juice, hummus, egg, cucumber. So I'm gonna be eating all of that and then taking my vitamins. Is cucumber dipped in hummus. You can also dip carrots and celery, all good alternatives.